Same photo, two completely different moments. This is a listing photo shot at noon. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to show you how to turn it into a night scene, drop the whole thing from the sky like a movie intro, and stack cinematic 3D text on top. All inside VideoTour.AI, all without touching a camera. Let's go. AI Transitions takes one still photo from your listing and turns it into a short cinematic clip. A new time of day, a new season, a new weather, or a dramatic camera move. You pick the preset, the AI generates the clip, and it drops straight into your video tour. There are 15 presets in here. I'm going to walk you through 2 of them live so you see exactly how it works. Here is the path. Open any video in the editor. Hover on any photo. 6 buttons pop up on top of the photo. You want the one that says AI Transitions. Click it. The preset list opens in a pop-up. That's where we are going to work. Demo 1, day to night. This is the front exterior of the listing we're using today. I'm going to click day to night, then generate AI transition video. Watch the clip card, you see that loading animation. That means the AI is working on it in the background. It usually takes a couple of minutes. I'll cut the wait. And we're back. Here is the result. Look at what is happening. The photo starts at noon, full daylight, and as the clip plays, the sky darkens. The light inside the house turns on, and by the end, you have a Twilight shot with illuminated windows. That is one photo, one click, and you now have the equivalent of a Twilight shoot. Why this is cool, a Twilight photo shoot on a real listing costs $200 to $400, and the photographer has to come back at the right hour. This gave me the same effect in 2 minutes from a noon photo I already had. No reshoot, no second session, no waiting on the light. Demo 2, Sky Drop. This one is different. It doesn't change the photo like day to night did. It generates a camera move. Specifically, it drops from the sky down onto the property like the intro of a movie. I'll click Sky Drop. Generate. Same thing. Loading animation. AI is generating the clip in the background, and I'll cut the wait again. Done. Let's play it. Look at that. The camera falls in from above and lands on the front of the house. This one photo just became a cinematic intro shot. If you drop this at the very beginning of your video tour, the whole thing opens like a Netflix trailer. No drone, no pilot, no licensing. Just one click on a photo you already have. This is the preset I use when I want a listing video to feel premium without doing any extra work. Helicopter Reveal in the same list does a similar thing with a pullback from above, worth trying on luxury and waterfront. One optional thing you should know about. Right above the Generate button, there's a toggle that says Add 3D Text. This is optional. When you turn it on, a text field opens. You type whatever you want. The address, the price, the words just listed, whatever. Then when the AI generates the transition, it bakes the 3D text into the clip as a cinematic title that is actually part of the scene. It is not an overlay you add later. It is part of the generated video, which means it looks anchored to the space, not slapped on top. I will turn it on, type the address, hit generate, and we can watch it come back with the text built in. See that? The address is right there in 3D, baked into the transition. Same 50 credits you were already going to spend, now with a cinematic title included for free. If you are posting to social, this is the version you want. Quick note before I wrap, you saw the words, "This will use 50 credits" in the pop-up. Here is why. Every one of these clips is not a filter. It is a brand new video generated by a real AI video model running on GPUs for about 2 minutes per clip. That is real compute, real machine time, and that is what credits pay for. Most plans include plenty of credits to cover your hero shots every month, and any extras are cheap. If you want the exact numbers, there is a full credits video on the channel. I'll link it in the description. So to recap, AI Transitions turns one photo into a cinematic clip. Day to Night gives you a twilight shoot from a noon photo. SkyDrop gives you a free intro shot. And the 3D text toggle adds a cinematic title on top. No extra work. First video is free on VideoTour.AI. Link is in the description. Go try SkyDrop on your hero listing today and tell me in the comments how it came out. See you in the next one.